Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Zen Browser in 2026. If you no longer need the browser, want to reinstall it, or are troubleshooting persistent issues, this guide will help you remove it completely from your computer. First, save any important bookmarks, passwords, or browsing data that you may want to keep before uninstalling the browser. Next, close Zen Browser completely and make sure it's not running in the background. You can check Task Manager if needed. Now open your computer's Apps, Programs, or Installed Applications section, depending on your operating system. Next, locate Zen Browser in the list of installed applications. Now click on Zen Browser and select the Uninstall option. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the removal process and wait for the browser to be uninstalled. If prompted, choose whether you want to remove browsing data, settings, and user profiles along with the application. Now wait for the uninstall process to finish completely before proceeding. Next, restart your computer to remove any remaining temporary files and complete the cleanup process. If you plan to reinstall Zen Browser, download the latest version after the restart and perform a fresh installation. Finally, verify that Zen Browser no longer appears in your installed applications list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to uninstall Zen Browser. The browser should now be completely removed from your system. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.